Brand new fight crew. Good luck to you all. Gorelia, you will be intercepting a first order trade ship of Croatia. Gunners, you play the battlefield pilots. Line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. And as we always say here at Onaka Transport Solutions, get out of here and go make condos of money. Like engineer, repair this. It's your flashing button. You better be faster when we get into trouble. Right, pilot? Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly up. And push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Left pilot. Now let's go towards you. Right pilot. Make the jump to light speed. Guys are protecting the train. Take them out! They've locked onto us. Take evasive action! Gunners, we need to defend ourselves. Open fire! Ah, there it is. After that thing. Engineers, fire the harpoon. Now, gunners, shoot the cargo. Pilot, brakes. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Power up the ship. Go, taxi out. Line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Gunners, shoot the train. Yes, keep mashing those controls. The cargo's keep shooting. No, my friends. Yes, yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You keep up to the train. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. A distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. The Star Destroyer is collapsing. Yes, pilot. Hit the boosters. Boost, boost, boost. We made it. I don't believe it, but we made it. Now, let's get out. Great job, my friends. You retrieved 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the first order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad.